Welcome to my channel. Our previous video showed how to clean and transform the data. In this video, we will create the dashboard using the same data. After you apply and load the data, the report view will open. Click the page and select Format Your Report in the Visualization ribbon. Select Canvas setting. There is a page type drop-down menu. Click the drop-down menu and select Custom. Give height 1080px and width 1920px, as we need more space to accumulate different graphs. Now, click on the left bottom of the page to rename the page, right-click it, and select Rename. Give the desired name to the page for easy identification. For building the dashboard, you can start from any part of the page, and we will start from the top left portion. First, we will select the text box so we can set the title of the page. Click on Add Data to Visualization to start the dashboard building. First, we will add the card to show the total accidents. To do this, we will select the card and place it on the page. Then adjust the size of the card. Power BI will provide the guiding lines so you can able to easily place your visualization and adjust it on the page. Then we will select any column and drag and drop it to the value field. Then click the down arrow on the value field and select the count. Then we click on the Format option and click the green dot, and this will remove the label from the visualization. Now we will try other graphs. We will use a stacked column chart. For this, we will click on the Stacked Column Chart from the Visualizations ribbon. Then adjust the size of this graph. Then drag and drop the accident severity to its x-axis. Then again drag and drop the same field on the y-axis and then label the field. Then click on the Format View Visual to modify the graph visual as required. We will provide the titles to the x and y-axis as the default did not look good on visuals. So click on the x-axis, expand the title in it and update the title text field. And in the same way, click on the y-axis to extend the title and update the title text field. Then click the On button next to the Legend field and it will remove the legend from the graph so it will look better. Then click on the Off button next to Total Labels and switch it on to show the column total at the top of each bar. In this way, you can make other graphs of the same type with other fields as we did for the age band and day of the week fields. we will make the pie or donut chart, which is another popular chart for univariate visualization. For this, click on the pie or donut chart. Reshape it as required. Select and drag and drop the selected field to the legend and value field. And in the same, we will make a few more pie or donut charts. Now we will make one stacked bar chart. Click and add the stacked bar chart from the visualization menu. Reshape it as required. Drag and drop the selected field to X, Y, and legend fields. Give the X and Y axis names and set the legend settings. Now we will make the multivariate chart called line and stacked column chart. We'll click and add the chart. Resize is as per requirement. Now drag and drop the first feature type of collision in the X-axis and column Y-axis field. Now drag and drop the cause of accident field to the line Y-axis. And causality severity to the column legend field. Now change the X and Y axis title and do the legend settings. Now we will try one other 3-variable chart ribbon chart. We will click the ribbon chart from the visualization and add it to the report. Resize is as per requirement. Drag and drop the road surface type field to the X-axis. Number of causality to Y-axis, and number of vehicles involved to legend field. Now change the X and Y axis title and do the legend settings. In the same way, we will make another graph where in place of the road surface we will use a road alignment column. Now we will change the title of all charts. Click on Chart, then Format your visuals, then click General tab, expand the title option and change the text. Repeat this with all charts. Now we will add the slicers so the user can able to select the options and the chart data will adjust as per selection. For this, we will click the slice from the visualization and add it to the report. Add the field in which we want to slice the data by dragging and dropping the table column in the field. It will automatically show the available options. Adjust the slicer as per requirement. Similarly, we will add other slicers also in the chart. Once the whole dashboard is built, we can apply different themes to your report. For this, click on the View tab in the top middle of the window. Below that all themes are listed, click on the arrow pointing downside for more themes. Select the desired themes. And now your report is ready for publishing for interactive dashboards, which require a business account for Power BI. Else you can print a PDF and export it to your presentation or send it over mail. Thanks a lot for joining. Meet you guys on my next video. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video.